Peace and love, African family.
Hold on, you have a... Okay.
Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And I'm here with some Jamaican people, Jamaican Massive and Pro, Jamaican Posse.
Big up, big up.
We are not the shower Posse, but we are the Kenyan Posse.
The real thing. Authentic.
Yeah, family.
Organic.
Yeah. So we're there and I did some Monday. And you know what I mean? As I know, as Jamaicans, when you meet Jamaican in the diaspora, it's like a family, it's like a community now. So, you know what I mean? You know, we actually like to take people around the Jam Tours family and we kind of show people, you know what I mean, you know, places. So you can actually think where you want to live. You can think in the future or your life are going to be in the next 10 years when you're in Kenya. So that's what Jam Tours, you know, like to do. You know what I mean? Once you come in Kenya, I can pick you from the airport, take you and show you around every place. Every day when I'm going out, you come with me and show you what I'm doing. So, you know what I mean? So you feel at home and you know that, you know what I mean, this is your home. So we're there today and, you know, Sister Bridget, you know what I mean, she going to fly out and come back. And so she wants, Kenya is her home now and stuff. So, you know, Jam Tours there and we are show her around. You know, we have to show her. Because the first place when you come Kenya, you want a small apartment. You don't want it luxury, you want it up to date, up to standard. So we have bed seat over there. So we have 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom. You know, it's actually almost sold out. It's a while I haven't been over there, like a month. You know, because as you guys know and watch the videos, most diaspora come, I've been taking them and showing them. Some bought, some don't bought, and that's how it is. But as a diaspora, when you come, you want to maybe like to own something. And when you own something, you know you can have it. You know, if you even need to fly out and come back, you know, if you think about selling your stuff and you know what I mean? You have your thing you have your thing. You have your small thing. And when you're ready to make a big move, buy a land, build your house, or you know what I mean? Yeah. You know what I mean? You can do that. You decide to leave, you can sell it, you can rent it out, you can do a lot of stuff. So I will show Bridget some apartments and see where she like and see, you know, show her where me live. If she want to come and be my neighbor, she can come. You know what I mean? Just the lifestyle that I like to live. You know what I mean? So, you know, so we there and Bridget there. How you feel today, Bridget, if you know that they're with Jam Tours, chilling out and, you know, we're showing you around?
Feeling really good. Feeling, you know, I'm able to see other places in Kenya before I leave out. I just wanted to see different choices, options that are available when I'm ready to make my decision in purchase. And so far, driving around, I've seen areas that is so beautiful that since I've been here in Kenya that I haven't seen. There's other parts of Kenya, at least I said Nairobi County, that I haven't seen. So I'm happy for that. And the experience with Jam Tour, it's been fun. I've been laughing the whole way. You got to come and hang out with his brother. So it's been nice. It's a great experience. Hopefully I get to make a decision when I come back, and he's part of that decision in terms of the location where we are going to see today.
Yeah, family. So we have another brother with us, Al. What you have to say, Al?
More fire. Yeah, man, when you're in Kenya, it's like you're a yard.
Yeah.
But this has been broadcasted yard and broad, right?
Yeah.
So, I mean, everybody understand Patois. Yeah, man, our big Jamaica this.
Yeah.
Everything is like home. The vegetation, the food.
For real.
The atmosphere, the environment. And we are bringing something extra. You see me I say?
Yeah.
So, yeah, I yes, sir, come here, sir. That's how we say.
Yeah. Yeah, for real,
man.
family. So you hear it and you hear the vibes and you can see the vibes, you know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? If you're sick and tired of the West and where them are going with it, you feel like you want to run out.
No,
you
you
feel
have
like
sick and tired.
Yes, absolutely.
you feel like you do your time already and you can't do no more. You know what I mean? I guess Africa is the place. And, you know, all black people and all African melanated people, Africa is just an emotional thing when you think about it. And everybody want to come. Some people can't afford to take the journey. Some people, you know what I mean, have to actually think of ideas or they want to take the journey. So while you watch us, and we inspire you to come back, you just go and do your thing and get your thing up and get your thing right. And when you're ready to come, you know, we're there to help you get settled because I am here and almost all of us here so now get scammed. And you know what I mean? So it's just a part of the thing and we want to change that. We want to be here on the ground, do the groundwork for you. You know what I mean? Build a community so you can actually, you know what I mean, you know, get the thing right. All right, family. So continue watching while we go. We're gonna go over to the apartment now. Yes, Susan. Yeah, just across the road. Let me come now. Just at the gate. Let me come. Yeah.
What young boy are there?
I'm wondering if I'm gonna make you meet us over there. Cause he's just over there. So let me just go on then.
Yeah.
Because
Where am I do?
I think maybe. Alright, family, let's go. Hey, family. So, Bridget, this is the Loftel. It's a newly built apartment. You know what I mean? They have a lot of apartments they built in over there in Kilolesha, Lavington, all of those places. So it's an Oasis development. It's a Chinese development, and they do modern apartments.
I'm still afraid for below.
Yeah, but
Yes, I can imagine.
you said you play the parking alley. They're bigger than the rest of them. Same way.
Big still.
It's still bigger than the rest of them. Anyway, you take it. Yeah.
I don't know why it is that way.
Children short, man. Remember them
Yeah,
short.
yeah.
So them build things according to their height. Because I don't know
Alright,
why.
so you can just give me 30. 30 good, eh? Okay.
Yeah, but yeah, families. So you guys feeling cool breeze? We're gonna go that way, yeah? We're gonna go that way, yeah? Hey Susan, what's up? It's been a while. It's been a while, Susan. But I'm here, yeah. It's our Matu. Yeah.
My name is Susan.
I'm Al.
I'm Al.
Big Al.
Yeah, family. So this is it, and that is it.
Oh, the elevator now?
Yeah, man, it work. The elevator working, Susan?
Yes.
The elevator working, right?
The elevator is not working.
Oh, it's not working.
Down because it's after work.
Okay, it's after work. Okay. So what's new now? What's new? I've been here for a month, and you know, I'm expecting some development.
Just talking about some finishes.
Finishes. Okay. So as you know, guys, this is the design hall.
Yeah, I think I see that one too. Nice one, yours.
Them guys just give some Peter food in them, no?
Yeah.
Retention.
Right.
This is a balcony here.
Oh wow, they fix the window and thing.
Some big
Okay.
ear.
We have a little balcony.
Yeah.
See a piece. Oh shit, we still have video?
Yeah, family. This is guys. This is the studio, and as Susan said, I'm doing the final touchings.
On the paper, it's the one with 3.5.
This one?
Yes.
Is that a pool?
Yeah, it's a pool. We have a pool and a gym.
Yeah, pool and gym there, hall.
And James too?
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Our kids play here too.
This is cute.
Yeah, we don't have no more kids. So.
The bathroom there.
Ah, nice big.
See, they went up the floor in the bathroom.
What's nice?
We don't go down in like whose idea was to go to the tile floor?
Me went up the floor.
Yeah, because look, the toilet and the floor is the same area.
Oh, that's what you mean?
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah, but what you can do, you can part it off if you want. It's big enough. If you want, you put a glass, sliding glass or whatever you need. Yeah. Once you buy it, you can do your own touchings. Yeah. It's wide.
The kitchen comes fitted with this
kitchen now, yeah. So it's come fitted. The
But-
stove.
But there's no space if you want to put in
Washing machine.
a different
A washing
stove.
machine, you put it at the bathroom.
No, I'm saying if you want to put in
But this is a
full
steam
size
anyway.
cooker.
Our cooker we can extract. Did you come with a complete cooker?
Oh, in that space. Oh,
Then we
okay.
can fix it,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Let's say one bit.
Jamaican people, wow,
Yeah.
the old thing, you know?
yeah.
Oh, I thought you were Jamaican, sorry.
Yeah, family. So we're actually gonna look at a 1-bedroom now, and the 1-bedroom section. One bedroom,
Big.
spacious.
I mean, it is small, but you can hold it. This is
My
a
bedroom is
5x6.
Yeah, 5x6. Yeah.
Is that
Yeah.
queen size?
no full.
No.
But I feel queen.
Yes, a queen.
Yeah, queen bed, the queen size, 5x6.
What's the 2-bedroom?
But you can put
Yeah, we're
a
gonna
queen
yeah.
if you want and just use one what you call it, one side one bedside table.
Yeah. That's what it is.
The
Yeah.
view outside is not bad either.
No, it's not bad.
Nice and clean
Yeah.
looking and
For now.
it will remain because I mean the thing is that the clientele is what determines how
Oh,
clean
yes,
the place
yes,
is.
sir.
Yeah. That's the washroom
This
there.
bathroom is not bad. This.
Yeah.
It's a little bigger, yeah.
Yeah.
And you can still put in a partition right here. Or like that, just put in there.
Boy,
Yeah.
oh God.
But because
We're coming from big, I guess.
Yeah.
Big, everything big.
And-
This is nice, especially for investment.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I like the lighted mirror.
Yeah. This is the balcony right there.
Nice view. Absolutely. Great
Yeah.
view out here, man. You gotta come see the view.
Yeah, nice view.
The weather,
So
isn't
you
it
can,
nice?
you can what's the word? You can socialize within
Yeah, this is like a chill area, right? They plant flowers and all of that stuff. Right? So,
And maybe have 1 and 2 outside seats.
Outside
yeah,
seats.
you can sit on concrete
yeah.
if you
Yeah.
have enough cushion for your ass.
So Susan, you guys set up the 2-bedroom showroom yet?
We don't have a show house, but we can see.
Oh, okay. They want to see. Yeah. Yeah, family. So that is it. So we still have.
Exactly. I like that concept.
So this is your washing area, Bridget. With this one, we have a washing area with your washing machine and stuff.
Okay, cool.
With your washing machine and thing.
I put the line across here. At least this is much better than having it hanging on the balcony. when
Yeah.
it's right by it.
That's true. Yeah.
So we can proceed and see.
Can we see the 2-bedroom?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What's your step?
So this you can
What's your step?
drop in cooker.
Tidy knot.
You just bless so, bless so. Yes, you just bless so.
God is good.
God all the time.
Yeah, God give you what you want, Bridget, all the time.
I didn't hear that, right?
This is a 2-bedroom.
2-bedroom? Okay, much better. Yeah, much better.
The dining room.
Okay.
Okay, I put a fridge around here.
Yeah.
I must be the stove.
No, I guess they say if you want to put in a cooker.
Put your own cooker, you can put it in. Yeah.
Okay.
In the
Oh,
house.
this is big.
No, 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 it's cool.
And go to the bathroom with a washer.
It's bigger.
Yeah, it's bigger.
This is a master bedroom, they say. Bathroom. Massive.
Yeah, it's your location.
The first thing I'm interested in having washroom.
Yeah. All over there.
And a lot of climate space. This is the your space, and this is my room. What I say?
Because it's small, though, You know, only this will get.
So Susan, we still have what we have available?
Still, we have units available.
Still have okay, all right, family. So you hear that, guys? We still have units available. Last call, last warning. Okay. All
I
right.
noticed something on here. The other 2 bedroom is a little bit bigger.
The other, where?
This is the biggest.
Which other 2 bedroom?
This is the one.
Oh, yeah,
But we're standing in this one. Okay.
we're looking at
Okay. Alright. Okay. That's nice. We have a table here. And this is just what? I guess.
Another bath
another washroom.
and a washroom here.
And this is, oh, I would take that off.
Thing. Yeah, you can set it up different.
Yeah, so you want it.
Yeah, because
Can I use the washroom?
no, I don't, because I think they do it because they use
Can-
their hands.
Can I use the washroom?
You can use the office one. This one.
Office, okay.
Or it's still good no water?
Because they use their hands, so but we wouldn't need that.
Yeah.
Necessarily. I said we.
You know what?
I'm like, we wouldn't need that.
All right, family. So we actually heading to the office. Dang is around?
Yes, it's around.
Yeah.
So you over there.
Yeah.
Let's go 1, 2, 3.
So we also have 3 bedroom too. But you don't want to see the 3 bedroom, right?
No, we're not about that.
Yeah, no kids.
No kids, no children.
Eh?
Do we see another type of a 2-bedroom?
No,
No, it's fine.
One room
I
is
think
in
it's,
this
I
room.
think it's fine for them to just. Yeah, guys. So this is the office where you come, and if you're gonna make a down payment, a payment plan, or whatever.
I like these
This
doors.
is the finishing product. You want to show them the finishing product.
Yeah.
I like these doors though.
Yeah, show them all the layout. It's gonna be.
Yeah, that's the layout. As you guys see, the layout. Laugh tell.
You have water here.
Yes, we do have water. Right here, water, Susan. Yeah.
Oh, this is what it's gonna look like. The play
Yeah.
area.
Yeah, the play here and stuff.
Oh,
Yeah.
cute, Susan.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So this is the office. So we're waiting on Dong to come for him to break down, payment plans and stuff. So we have payment plan, Bridget, if you want.
Yeah, I need to
You
hear.
can go on a payment plan, and when you come back, you can land in your apartment.
That's right.
All right.
And then 2 bedroom.
2 bedroom would be nice for you. Where your son can come and think.
That's right.
Yeah. All right, family. You know what I mean? These are going very fast, like hot cake. So you'll be lucky if you can get one of these. Yeah.
Okay. I'm sitting down in the big chair.
Yeah. So you like the apartment so far, Bridget? Or it's look? You like it? Okay. And the area is very good. So I want to take you around the area so you can see what amenities and stuff. Plus, everything is, Village Market is right there. 2 Rivers is right there. Everything is just, you know what I mean, right here.
They want to give me some avocado. I don't want them to give me some.
No,
I'm Chinese, so
You're Chinese.
The Chinese listen to reggae music.
to what?
Reggae music.
Reggae, Bob Marley.
What I mean?
No, sir.
Mexicans love them sunflower seeds.
First time I eat it, you know.
Is it good? This sunflower. It's good.
Good.
So, what do you want?
What do you want, Bridget? Says she want 2 bedroom.
2 bedroom. This one.
Big one? The small one?
Big one.
9.9? Which floor? Which floor?
Where am I from?
Which floor? Which floor? Which floor?
Oh,
Which floor?
For the 4
yeah, penthouse.
price is included. Changes.
Only
The level.
Is the price affected by the?
Oh.
the level?
No.
The price depends on the payment plan.
Payment plan, yeah.
Ours, the highest floor. the
Penthouse.
Yeah, mate.
There's 6 floor, okay? Maybe it's 6 floor.
Not maybe.
Huh?
Not maybe. The highest floor you have available.
That's what you want.
No, it's 9 floor. Only 6, 7.
On six-
Seven?
But 7 is somebody want to buy, yes? That's some, is there some, do you know someone who want to buy 7? Do you want a while?
I like the 7th floor, so I like a good one.
Huh?
Maybe better.
So what's the payment plan?
Full cash or payment plan, Bridget?
I want payment plan. I want the year payment plan.
1 year.
1 year?
Today is some this agent, remember? The agent told me you why should so you see, why I asked you payment plan because of this the price is 9.9 million. Yes, you pay 30%, it's 9.7. You pay 50%, it's 9.5. You pay full cash, it's 9 million. So you pay more discount.
Mm-hmm.
So what do you think?
I hear you. You said payment plan within a year. What's the down payment?
No problem. The discount depends on the deposit. The balance 1 year, no problem. What do you think? They say how many million want to pay for deposit? How many million?
How many what?
Percentage of the deposit, for example, 1 million, 2 million, 4 million.
Yeah, how many percentage you want to pay?
Yes.
Bridget, you want to pay 50%, 30%?
Well, he said within a year.
Yeah, within a year, no.
Divided whatever the balance is.
Yeah.
It's gonna divided by 12 months. That's how it works.
Yeah.
Okay,
So what?
Is at this point, it's not negotiable. It's just you pay 50% down now, and 1 year you pay the
Right,
balance.
that's what he's saying. If you're paying 50%, it's 4.
It's 9.5 million. So,
Yes, 9.5 years.
so 9.5 million USD is how much now? Let me check that.
No, that's the total number.
That's a million.
Kenyan shillings.
No, that's not what I'm saying. You're saying it's 9.9 million.
Well, 9.9
Is it total?
is the total.
Okay, good.
But if you're paying 50%,
4.
you get it for 9.5.
No, I understand that. She's saying, I'm saying how much would be 50% of that. So going back to.
Okay. So 9.5
What
million.
you're calculating, right?
Huh?
So 9.5 million.
If we pay 50%,
50% of 9.
4.7,
Four-
4.75.
Okay. And within 12 months, divide 4.5 12.
By 12.
Yeah, that's what it works.
Yeah.
So you're gonna know your payment per month.
4.7.
40,000 per month, you pay 50%. The balance is the 400,000 per month.
400,000 per month.
Yes.
Okay.
So what do you think?
That's a lot. If you ask me.
No, because like
400,000.
yes.
2,500 US. 2,500 US a
Hold
month.
on.
That's a lot, seriously.
Hold on, remember.
It's 25, almost $2,500.
2,000, yeah. That's what it is. So
Yeah, that's too much for you, Bridget.
yeah, that's like, you know, if that's the case, I'd stay in a 7-bedroom house I was in.
Where?
In America.
It's 2,500. Where? In
On an acre of land, like duh.
in New York.
You know what I mean?
Where?
Like,
Yeah, that's a.
If that was the case, I should have stayed there.
No,
That's what I want to compare it to, no matter
No,
what.
but you have to understand that what you're understand how much the total is that is required.
Yeah, the total is like 60,000 US.
Right?
Well, okay. Okay, I get that.
7-bedroom in America, 2,500. It's not easy to get one.
Huh?
For rent?
For rent, where? New York or where?
Florida.
Or
Are you talking about it?
Oh, you own it, Bridget, you own it.
Yeah.
Florida expensive.
You get 50%
5 million.
and then the year you have that.
And for me,
And me said 3 years. I missed this, so you know. And then you go tell me. And me I tell you that's it.
that, too long, 2 years.
2 years,
Too long,
2 years.
you know?
2.5.
2025 December, it's okay?
She's trying to cut down on the
Monthly.
payment.
The monthly fee, the monthly, yeah.
How much of 7 a city? You have to understand if me go take up how much million I give you
Up front.
up front. Me no go buy one piece of land and build me a house pan.
No.
Yeah, work with me, man.
In the middle, you be not control and now. Actually, 30 million.
Yeah.
Actually,
So in here, you want to pay
Where?
4 bedroom, 5 bedroom, anywhere.
Yeah, I get it.
Almost 30 million. It's
yeah,
not
but,
easy.
yeah, but we don't want
Yeah, but we don't want like, we don't want
we don't want no
that.
5 bedroom anyway.
You want to I will say the Masonet in the future, you know.
Yeah, they have an immersion coming.
Which one do you call Masonet?
In Kamango, 20 million.
Yeah, the big townhouse there with 5 bed. Yeah, townhouse.
So, can we do something now?
2 years. This is an issue I can do.
Alright, we'll tell you what, we think about it. Oh, about that. I'll think about it.
Right.
Huh?
Also, the maximum you can do is 2 years.
Think about it. No, I'm going to think
The
about it.
maximum, what you can do? Maximum.
I am going to think about it and
And get
what
back
you're
to you.
going to do and get back with you, okay?
You have to talk to me what you want, so I can think about it. You say how much? What's the maximum advance? Maximum.
No, I'm not. No, I'm going to think about everything you just mentioned to me today. And after I think about it, I will converse with you when I come out of that thinking process thoughts. Alright? And then I get back with you all about that.
No worry.
I thought I'll forward his number to you, Bridget.
Absolutely.
You and him talk and work things out.
Yeah, there you go. Then I'll think about it. I like to think.
No worry.
Every month, we don't like to do things now.
But I think your accent, you said that you can.
No, it's actually Jamaican.
And what am I eating
I know,
here?
but you said that you can.
And we mix against with a little American.
Now, what are we eating here? What is it called, Vess? What do you call it?
What is this one? Sunflower.
Sunflower.
It's good, it's
They're
good,
big
yes.
though. The one I get in the US not this big.
No, it's not big. It's big, but it's the meat inside is diet. It's on a diet or something.
What's your
No, I'm saying, but the one that you find in the US is not this big.
Which one better?
No, but the US has more meat.
Which one better?
You know, the US dollars have more meat than them.
Yeah,
Better
No, but this is better.
than American.
it's
But
malnutrition. so-
Maybe, but it's organic.
yeah.
It's a malnutrition because you can't seem to find any meat in it.
But you know.
Actually, true mine. Where's the bin?
No money malnutrition. Huh?
Kind of good to
Vegan is called.
I use desert essence.
Is it fluoride?
No, I don't do no.
Non-fluoride.
No, you say vegan, you know. Everything right now is coming like chemical to me. I've never in the last
Well, it's
3 decades drink water except it's Fiji and avian.
I get real spring water from under the earth.
I pretend them, man.
Where is it at?
The Fiji.
The real borehole
I
water.
not say it's good enough, I just say that's all I've been drinking.
Yeah, but those water is not good.
Do is drink bottled water if I can avoid it.
Me too.
But this water don't taste bad.
No, it's not.
Actually,
But
don't.
It don't. It tastes good.
If
It
it's
tastes.
been sitting for a while,
It's very light.
then the plastic will start releasing the chemicals into the water.
What you texting over there?
Yeah, Dang is the sales manager. Dang is the sales manager, so he has a lot of clients and stuff.
How we can work with the 3-year plan or 1.5-year plan.
A 3-year, me say.
Yes, it's
2 years is steep.
Oh, no.
But yeah.
This one.
No, I'm just saying.
To begin. How much you can pay 1 month? Let me calculate for you. How much you can pay 1 month? How much?
No, I ain't telling you that. Everything will be in writing. I'm going to send you a text and I'm going to tell you what is what. That's who I am. Normally, that's how I do business. So here's what I'm going to do with you. I'm going to make you an offer. Tell you what, here's the deposit. This is what I want to pay off and blah, 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 blah. And then you say to me, nah. Then we go back and forth. You telling me now means nothing to me. It's just going to go through my ears. I like things on paper.
Yeah. Recording.
Like put it like this, here. And then give it to me and then let me leave. This is the offer today. It's good for
I think what I was going
Can
to
you guys
ask.
for you here?
like it's good for certain amount of days.
Right. So you have to
By the way, yes.
You see what I'm saying?
Yes.
Like put it together for me. I'm gonna give you my email and you're gonna email it me. This is the offer. And this is the set, this is the first, this is really what I can, but since you don't want to take that, this is my second
And this
offer.
offer will be good for so long.
Yeah, that's it.
Like the sales.
What I can buy for you?
I'm gonna give you my email and then I'm going to leave. So that's what we're gonna do because we gotta go to the village. What do you call it, village?
No. The email make no sense. Let me buy for you right now. For the 24 months, how many months any months, how much you pay? 30 months, how much you pay?
No. It won't work like that for me. I want it in writing.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna send you his WhatsApp, and you guys can talk.
No, I'm going to give him my email.
Official, so it's
Touch. Okay. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, let's go.
Because tomorrow you forgot to get it on the...
Yeah, families, I hope you like and share this video. We are out. One love. God bless. Much big up to Susan.
Hi guys.
Yes. All right, so let's go, guys. We are out. Like, share, and comment. God bless.